Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial for GGRC12. Today I'm going to show you how to do the first part of assignment 1. Please find the tutorial videos at my YouTube channel and feel free to contact me via email if you have any questions, and I will try my best to answer your questions. In this exercise, you are going to log into ArcGIS Online and create web maps for your assignment. You will need to map and describe the overall transportation infrastructure and land use patterns in Toronto. I have uploaded the data onto Quarkus. Please go to the assignment module and download the zip file. In the zip file, you'll find a file geodatabase that you will need to use it in ArcGIS Online. In this task, you're going to create maps and provide a description of 7 basic transportation characteristics in Toronto. Before you start, you need to verify your access to ArcGIS Online. You can use the following links to activate your account and log into ArcGIS Online. And now, I'm going to show you how to upload files to ArcGIS Online. On the home page of ArcGIS Online, click on the Content tab, then click on New Items, and you can upload the zip file from your laptop or computer. Make sure the item type is file geodatabase, and you save it as a feature layer. You can add tags and give it a title, and you can also put some notes in the summary box. Make sure you're giving your layer a unique name, and then click on Save. Click on the feature layer that you saved before and open it in Map Viewer. This is the classic one, and we're going to do our tasks in New Map Viewer just for better experience. Here are all of the layers that we need, and we can save the map by clicking on Save. You can give it a title, a tag, and some description. Now let's change the base map for the web map. There are a lot of options for base map. I'm going to use light gray canvas. And I don't want to show the reference of the base map, so I'm going to hide it. Remember to save your web map before you quit it or you close the window. Now we can go to Task 1. Let's first make a map of highways in Toronto. In this map, we're going to hide the other layers and only show the layers of municipalities and highways. You can drag the layers to change the orders of them. You can also rotate the map by right-clicking your mouse and drag the map. Click on the layer and go to the styles, and we can change the fill color for the layer. We can also change the settings of outline. Here I'm going to use black. and I'm going to set the width and pattern of the stroke. Click Done to finish your settings. Go to the Labels tab, and here you can change the settings of the label. You need to first enable labels, then you choose Label field and add the label to the layer. For highways, similarly, you can go to Styles and change the color and width of the highway. And when you're finished, you can save your map. And if you want to save a copy, you can just save as and go to print. You can print a layout of your map so that you can copy and paste it in your assignment document. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a map of public transit roads. In this map, we are only going to show the layers of municipalities and the TTC roads. Similarly, we go to Styles, and choose Style options, and it is noticed that we can use the different colors for different types of TTC roads. Remember to uncheck the box of Adjust Width automatically, so you can manually change the width of the lines. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3 respectively for bus, streetcar, and metro. Click Done to finish the setting. And remember to save your map. You will also need to export the map to a PDF file or GPG file. Make sure you give it a title and you print your name on it, and your map is in the middle of the layout. Now we are going to make a map of transit level of service in Toronto. In this map, we're going to use the layers municipalities and transit stops access. First, we enable the field of municipalities to make sure it's transparent. Then we go to the style options of transit stops access and use the field number of trips per hour. And we use a single color to show the levels of transit stops access in Toronto. I'm going to use green here, and I'm not using the outline. And you will also need to classify the data. I'm going to use natural breaks and 7 classes. Click Done to finish the settings. And save your map. Tasks D, E, F, G are very similar, so I'm going to use the city population as an example. Now I'm showing the layers, municipalities, and TAZs. We can open the attributes table of the layer, and there are many variables here. I'm first going to map the number of population. So I'm choosing number of populations here, and I go to style options. Make sure it is divided by hectares, so it's population density. And choose a color, classify data by natural breaks. And I use 7 breaks. Click Done. Then you got a map of population density in Toronto. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have further questions, please go to PDF instructions or send me an email. See you in next lab.